Hi, welcome to TunesKit. In today's video, we'll show you how to hard reset or restore your iPhone using 3 effective ways. If your iPhone is stuck on a certain screen, stuck during an update, or simply needs a factory reset. Let's get started. Method 1. Hard reset iPhone in factory settings. You only need to enter the settings, find General, then find the Transfer and Reset option, and select Erase All Content and Settings. Next, enter the lock screen password and the Apple ID password in turn. And wait a few minutes. Your iPhone will start to factory reset. Method 2. Hard reset iPhone via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to PC. Quickly press and hold the volume up button, then the volume down button. Next, press and hold the power button until the Connect to Computer icon appears to enter recovery mode. After entering recovery mode, a prompt will pop up in iTunes or Finder, allowing you to choose to restore or update your iPhone. You need to click Restore iPhone, then iTunes will automatically download a new system to overwrite your current one to achieve the purpose of resetting iPhone. Method 3. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. This method does not require a password and can erase all data safely. Step 1. Connect the iPhone to the computer. Then, choose Unlock iOS screen and click the Start button to proceed to the next step. After confirming that the device information is correct, click to start downloading the firmware package. While waiting for downloading, please do not disconnect your iPhone from your computer. When the firmware package is downloaded, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will start to reset your iPhone. This process will not take too much time. When your iPhone is unlocked, all the data and content on your iPhone will be hard reset. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials.